Hi Queens, Ms. Pk's of Ms.Pk'S Crochet Braids located in McDonough, Georgia. My client here has alopecia areata, and I am taking the hair from the back and braiding it towards the front. This way she will have full coverage. And then I will take a braid from the back side. I'm going to take that back braid, the very bottom braid, and braid that all the way around towards the front to make like a helmet on her head. I don't like to use glue, and so I will need to put a net at the very top of her head, and everything else will do just fine without the net. So we're going to place the net on the top of her crown, sew that down, and then we will go ahead and do her install. And this way it allows her scalp to still breathe. She'll still be able to do her scrubs and her oil treatments on her scalp. So here we are putting in the install, and we're doing the soft dread by Braid, which is a nice, durable, strong hair. And so we're going to do her regular install, and this will last her for at least about 5 to 6 weeks. And we cut it in a bob style, and I think she looks absolutely gorgeous. The second client that we're doing is, she has the same alopecia, and so what we're doing with her is we're taking her cornrow pattern and we're doing the beehive. Now, because there's such a big space and gap in between the cornrows, we had to put a whole net on her hair. And so in doing so, she still has the freedom of her scalp being able to breathe. And we use deep twists by Free Tress for her hair install, and she looks absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching, Queens.